All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at some more English phonics. So, CH, ch, and W, w, and D. So, chip, chip, and chop, chip and chop, chop. Match, match, and patch, patch. Oh, not quite. Match, patch, like on the ground, patch. Let's have a look. Yeah, here we are. Patch, patch, that patch, this patch, patch. And wig, wig, fake hair, wig. And warp, warp. Let's try and get a picture of warp. Not quite, I didn't think so. Warp. And when, when. And why, when, why. Yeah. And dog, dog, dog. There we are. Dog, dog, doll, doll, and duck. So doll, here we are, doll, and duck, duck. Perfect. Duck. Yeah. Duck. How cool is that? And muddle, and puddle, muddle, and puddle, like water. Puddle, no, not quite. Water. Bit of water on the ground, like a little on the ground. Puddle. There we are. Very good. And grabbed. 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 He grabbed it. Yeah. How cool is that? So chip, chop, match, patch, wig, warp, when, why, dog, doll, duck, muddle, puddle, grabbed. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.